This video will go over how to set up Elgato Facecam. To follow along, make sure you have the following: Facecam, a USB-C to A cable that comes with Facecam, a laptop or desktop computer. First, begin by placing Facecam on the edge of a monitor using the included monitor mount. Alternatively, if you're going to use Facecam with multi-mount or a different mounting solution like a tripod, unscrew the monitor mount to access the 1/4-inch threaded mount point. After removing the monitor mount, attach Facecam to the mount you will be using. Now, remove the privacy cover. Take the USB cable and connect the USB-C end to the back of Facecam. Connect the other end of the USB cable to a USB 3.0 port on your computer. Note that USB hubs and USB extension cables are not supported and can cause problems if used. Now download and install the Camera Hub software from elgato.com. Once Camera Hub is installed, open it. The settings for Facecam are divided into tabs on the left side of Camera Hub. In the device settings, you can select Facecam, as well as view device details such as firmware, reset to defaults, and save the current settings to Facecam's built-in flash memory. The zoom setting will increase the digital zoom of Facecam. Picture settings contains 3 parameters: contrast, saturation, and sharpness. The exposure tab lets you choose between automatic and manual exposure. In automatic mode, you can select the metering mode, which determines how to expose the image. To tweak automatic exposure, use the compensation slider. Manual mode gives you full control over Facecam's image settings. Shutter speed can be set from 1/10,000th of a second to 1/4 of a second. ISO controls the ISO value of the sensor. To ensure great image quality, we suggest keeping the ISO at the lowest setting possible and adjusting the shutter speed first. After the shutter speed is at 1/64th, raise the ISO as needed. To keep a frame rate of 60 FPS, keep the shutter speed at 1/64th or faster. White balance can be set to automatic or manual mode. In manual mode, it can be adjusted from 2800 Kelvin to 12,500 Kelvin. When in manual mode, a good starting point is 4500 Kelvin. In the processing tab, there are 2 options: noise reduction and anti-flicker. Noise reduction will apply an algorithm to remove unwanted noise, which can be caused by using Facecam in a dark room or when setting the ISO value too high. Since noise reduction removes image detail, we suggest keeping it off. Anti-flicker will only work when the exposure mode is on automatic. The choice of 50 Hz or 60 Hz depends on your region's power frequency. Once the perfect settings have been dialed in, click on the Save icon to save the settings onto Facecam's built-in flash memory. This ensures that when you use Facecam in an application or restart your computer, the settings are always as you've set them. Camera Hub will automatically launch when you turn on your computer, and it lives in the system tray. From there, you can open Camera Hub while Facecam is in use in another software to control the image. Compact mode hides the preview while keeping all of Facecam settings available for control. This is important when wanting to tweak Facecam settings in real time or when using Facecam in programs that do not have camera controls. Most often, these are video conference apps like Slack, Zoom, and Teams. For example, Camera Hub can be open in compact mode while Facecam is being used in OBS Studio. That's how easy it is to set up Facecam. For the best video quality, we recommend spending some time tweaking the settings manually and adjusting them for your particular setup. To learn more about Facecam and other Elgato products, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Elgato. Thanks for watching.